Okay, I'm back and I'm about to do a little
Huh? What about to do?
oh, I'm talking to the camera, mommy.
For who?
The camera.
Oh.
Trying to make fresh new content. So yes, I'm in the car. I'm doing like a duo recording thing. I'm in the car on my way to the library before I go and run some errands. But I'm really excited because I'm going to be using the personal prep plan to do some meal prep for the upcoming week. I'm gonna do, or just like a few days. Initially, I was just gonna like wake up and go to the grocery store. I'm like, you know what? Let me chill. Because that's how you go to the grocery store and then you spend $80 like I did the last time I was at the grocery store. And I just bought groceries for myself. I mean, it lasted for a good amount of time, but so we're just gonna use a personal prep plan. And I'll also take you guys with me when I actually do go to the grocery store to get it. That may or may not be today, I don't know, because I'm kind of exhausted. I've had a jam-packed week, so we'll see. Anyway, bye. I'm really at the library. Like, I did not just waste my outing. I also want to enhance the personal prep plan because it's a little it's not a little, it's like manual to do it. Even for me, like if you pay for your diet analysis or meal analysis, meal prep, nutrient situation, if you pay for my services, I want to automate it even for me. So automating it for y'all will also help me. It will help us. We see each other. So yeah, I've been in this car talking for 2 minutes. Let me see. And I want to see if it's, anyway, let me be quiet. I'm going to just go in here, keep my head down and do some work. And then we'll see if I have any energy to go to the grocery store. now my health goal with this vegan lifestyle, which has been over a year now, I've been vegan. My health goal is my energy state. Not like the calories I consume. I don't want to feel so tired and exhausted all the time. And I think that to target that, I need to ensure my protein is good and my carbs are good, actually. And here's something that y'all need to know. You guys are like so anti-carbs. Carbs have protein, like carbs, like rice and bread and stuff, it has protein. If you don't know how to eat, just say that. That's how I feel. Stop confusing us, me too, because I'm like, Anyway, that's the beauty of the personal prep plan, in all sincerity. It's even helping me to visualize it and see what I got going on. So, yes, any enhancement I make is for all of us, because I want all of us to use it. I want everybody to be healthy. So, yeah, when I have my energy in check, I would like to maintain a weight. I have been flip-floppy with the weight. This year, I think I've been losing more weight, which I'm not mad at, actually, because last year I had kind of gained some weight. I was having a lot of fun in the kitchen with this vegan stuff, with these vegetables, sauteing the vegetables, XYZ. So anyway, I have a few changes I have made. I've also been doing some fasting this year when the year begins, and now we're in spring, and I think that this is like, everything is aligned. It's like a perfect spring cleaning internally. So yes, thank you for listening to my TED Talk. So I'm gonna just take a picture of it on my phone and use it as my list. But just to explain, these are just ideas. So for example, I can eat a yogurt for a snack, but it's in the breakfast column as well. This is just so I can make a list of things I need. Then this is not the calendar list. This is not the meal prep list. This is the grocery list. So yeah, only buy what you need. Stop going to the grocery store and putting 3 bags of potatoes in your cart when you already have potatoes at home. I'm talking to myself when I say this too. But yeah, I've been in this library working. I've been in here for like almost 2 hours, so I'm happy with what I've been doing. And now I'm gonna go to the store since I'm already out. I'm gonna just buy some of these things. My limit, my max is $50. I'm not playing. Wish me luck. Okay, so we're here. Why is it dark? Yes, we're here, Wegmans. All right, bye. Wegmans is bumping right now. So right now it's 4:31. I was even in traffic just trying to get into the parking lot. So what I'm going to try and do is be out of here in less than 30 minutes. All right, so it's 4:31. Let's say by 5 o'clock, I should be back in this car. Also, the gas prices is not even a joke. End the war. Grapes. Almost done. Okay, I don't think I need to be in this aisle anymore. There's so many options and there's good options, but I don't have to buy everything I see. Because I also saw dragon fruit, and y'all know that's my jam. When I have things on my list, like pizza and milk and all that stuff, I hope y'all know it's vegan. It's vegan, dairy-free and gluten-free oat cream. Yeah, where's the word vegan on here? Anyway, plant-based. Shout out to Daya, even though I don't want to even get into that endorsement life unless a check is really being cut. But anyway, they have been in the game for such a long time, and this is the first brand of dairy-free cheese I bought. Plant-based cheese. It was from Daya. And they've improved their recipe since then. Really good. Okay, I'm almost done my list. Right now, this is like $10. This is $2. This one is like $6. That's like, let's round up to $20. Okay, I'm already at like $40. So let me hurry the hell up. Let me hurry up and get out of here. Live verdict. Damn. It was those protein bars. Yeah. But I was close. So I got to 60.01. That's crazy. I was $10.01 off of 50. But everything I bought I needed, so 60 is not bad at all. Okay. It's 5:03. I did good. I'm looking for my lip gloss. I did so good. Should I just show y'all what I bought in the car? No, I'll just show you in the house. Maybe. I did so good because those protein bars were the most expensive thing I bought. And it actually replaced some stuff. So I didn't buy granola and yogurt because now the protein bars should suffice. Like I said, I was going to be doing a granola and yogurt for a snack potentially. So yeah, I'm not mad at 60.01. And I was out of there in 30 minutes. So yay, that was good. So it was good, but it required a plan, the personal prep plan. So yeah, if you guys plan it out, you can do it. You can do it. It's something that I still have to, you know, plan it. I don't want to use the word struggle with, because we're not struggling over here, boo. It's never koletoye. So we're not struggling, but we just trying to get it together. We're trying to get our minds right. We're trying to get right, period. Okay. Music. Bye. I'm about to show y'all what I got. Kale, eggplant, tofu, avocado. This better be good. True bar, you really better be the truth, because you made me go over budget. But yeah, I invest in myself, so yeah. I might go wild and edit this video tonight and post it tonight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna edit and post this tonight. But that's it. That was the day with me. Personal prepping. Bye.